I always like to apply my eye cream first. I let that sink in, and then if I need to, I will press the rest of the lotion in with my beauty blender. The key with the Becca corrector is to only take the smallest amount. So I'm barely putting my finger on. I'm not even pressing down. As you can see, it's super concentrated. And then the second key is to only place it where there are dark circles. So I place it on the inside first, and then bring it down to my dark circles. If you feel like you need more, you can always go back in, but I like to start out with the lightest amount because I really think it does make a huge difference. Like I said, if you want to, you can go in. You can see I'm not even pressing down. I'm just barely touching my finger on the top. I've had this pot for probably 2 years at this point and it still looks new. And then you can just go back in. But generally speaking, I only apply one time. I just wanted to show you what it was like to reapply a second time. So you want to make sure that this is really thin and really well blended in, and it will not cause any creasing. It just gives you that really nice illumination right where we tend to be the darkest and most blue or purple. And as you can see, I don't bring it down on my cheeks because I don't want this part to get super shiny. So I only place it exactly where it is bluish. And now if you want to make sure that it's super pressed in, you can grab your blender again and just gently press it in. You don't have to do this, but if you really want to make sure it's blended, you definitely can. And then from there, I will just apply my concealer normally. And as you can see, I barely had to use any concealer because the illumination really helps to already deflect the look of those dark circles. I love this product because, as you can see, I used so much less concealer. I honestly think this Becca corrector is just such a makeup must-have. I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I'll come back and show you the finished look. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. That helps other people find the video. You can share it wherever you want. And subscribe, go check out the blog, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.